A thermostat is a regulating device component that controls the coolant flow to allow the engine to maintain a proper temperature under various conditions. It consists of the main valve, a spring, and a bypass valve. The thermostat is located between the engine and the radiator. It is placed near the water pump on the cylinder head. A faulty thermostat may cause the temperature gauge to read higher or lower than normal. You may find leaking coolant around the thermostat or under the vehicle, and experience erratic temperature changes while driving. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard, and store the coolant thermostat related error codes. If your vehicle has encountered thermostat related problems, here is one method to fix the thermostat. Method A, replacing the thermostat. First, carefully remove the thermostat from the engine, and then install a new thermostat. To install it correctly, you need to make sure the short end goes toward the hose, and the deep end goes towards the engine. When you install it back to the engine, make sure the jiggle valve is pointed straight up to the top of the engine, so the air can get through the system. So here is one method to fix the thermostat. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.